What's the meaning of correspondence course? Correspondence course. Correspondence course.
Correspondence course. Correspondence course. A correspondence course is a type of distance learning where a student studies a subject or course through printed materials or online, without the need for physical attendance in a classroom. The student typically communicates with the instructor via email or postal mail to submit assignments, exams, and receive feedback. The result of a correspondence course is usually a certificate, diploma, or degree, depending on the level of education pursued. Correspondence courses are typically more flexible and accessible than traditional classroom-based learning, making them popular with working professionals or those with other commitments.